Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Welcome, ma'am. Have a seat, ma'am.
Thank you.
How may I help you?
Show me some shoes.
Okay, ma'am. Can you please let me know about the range of your shoes?
It should be between 700 to 1000.
Okay, ma'am. MC, these all are then.
I don't like of any them.
Oh, 1 minute, ma'am. So, two, give me the best quality of shoes. See it, ma'am. This is the best quality of my shop.
Can I try?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me polythene, please.
Okay. So, two.
This is good, but it's too short.
Too short.
Can you provide me one
1 minute.
number large
So,
size?
two, being 8 number of shoes. See, ma'am.
Give me polythene.
1 minute. 1 minute. Take it, ma'am.
It's
Done.
perfect.
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am. Shall I pack it?
Wait. Firstly, tell me cost of this shoes.
It is only 1799.
What? It's so costly. I have already told you my price.
It is costly because it is branded, ma'am. I also wear this brand of shoes.
I know this is branded, but it's too costly.
Uh, Wait. So tell me, how much do you want to pay?
On this shoes, I give you only 1000 rupees.
Are you buying slipper?
Don't teach me. I have already shop in Riva.
So go there
Also.
and buy it. Take it.
Okay, I'm going.
Wait, ma'am. Wait. Uh, I giving you some discount.
Yeah,
Uh,
first.
the final price of this shoes is 1300, ma'am.
But for this shoes, 1000 means 1000.
No, ma'am. Try to understand, ma'am. Even I not get that. I don't get it at the cost of 1000, ma'am.
So you put your shoes, I'm going.
Wait, ma'am. How much do you want to pay at last?
1000 means 1000. I give only 1000 rupees.
Okay, ma'am. Take it. 1 minute. Tutu,
Please pack
give me
it.
the policy. Okay. Sorry.
Guys, QR code.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done.
Okay. Tutu,
Give me my shoes.
1 minute. Take it, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
welcome.
And come again.
Okay, thank you.